Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I have a product I want to show you. I'm pretty excited about this one. I really do pretty excited about this one. I think you will like it too, just as much as I do. So let's get into it. Let me show you what I just bought. Okay, so what did I buy? Well, I bought this right here. Bam! This Saramonic Blink 500B1 wireless mic setup. Now what's neat about this one is you could actually run two microphones off of it. Lapel mics or just the big receiver. This kit right here is just one, but you can always buy a second one and upgrade this so it'll have two mics on it. Let's take a look at this. Let's get it unboxed here. See if I can zoom out. Not in, out. Zooming out a bit. Really nice package, you know. Now I have cut the safety tamper-proof thing there. Pull it out. Look at how nice it is. You got the user's manual, I would guess. Then you've got the receiver and the wireless mic right there. So it comes with a transmitter, the Blink 500 transmitter. It has a USB charging and a mic in. Then you have the receiver here, and it has a line out on this side, a pair button. Spin it around, and you've got your USB. This box here has all your hardware, oh, look at that. So you got, looks like a, probably a 3.5, I would say male to male, but I don't know, I'm not a camera expert. Then you've got a charging USB charging cord. You've got your lapel mic, if you want to use that. Got another, now this one has 3 rings on the end and 2 rings on the other end, so that means something to somebody that knows those kinds of things. I don't. And then you have another charging cord. Very neat. So it comes with everything you need to charge it up and get it to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it charged up and we're going to test this out today. I'm telling you, the reviews, the things that I've seen with this, impressive. The range that this thing has, oh my. Let's just put it through some tests and see what we get. Once again, the Saramonic Blink 500, and this is a B1. They have the B2, which is 2 of these. Okay, so this is mic check number 1. Let me see what happens if I get up and just walk down the hallway here. See if it can still hear me. Here I am all the way in the living room, looking out the front window. Looks to be about 27 degrees. Neighbor has family over. A neighbor. All right, now let's walk back and see what sound quality we have for this thing as I come back into the bedroom. Sit down. Really can't see me because I'm in a camouflage chair and a camouflage jacket. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, got the mic right here, got the receiver up on the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk to that end of the pool, go around that side of the house, and we'll just check and see if you can still hear me. So here we go with the mic check. As you can see, this is the what is it? Saramonic Blink 500. Here I am at the end of the pool, waving at you. Let's go over onto this side of the house. So I'm going along here. We'll go backyard. We'll go over here. As you can see, still talking as I'm walking here as we walk by again. And we'll go over here. Got the big smoker over here, and the van and my other two trailers parked over here. Now we'll come, and cars driving by there. Good audio test on that. No, I'm not going to go down the slide. So come around. Not going to go in the shop. We'll just come back into frame. And as you can see, how well that did. This is a pretty nice mic setup. I'll use my phone. We'll get a picture of what this setup is so you can see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Really impressed with it so far. Okay, it's been a few weeks, and I'm giving you my thoughts on the Saramonic Blink 500 B1. Today I have the lapel mic up here showing you how it connects to the transmitter right there. Normally I don't use the lapel mic, I just use the transmitter, and it works perfectly that way. So this time I thought I would just show how that the lapel mic hooks up to the transmitter. I have the receiver on the camera. You'll see pictures of that. So what are my thoughts? I really like this mic. The range on it is perfect. What I did find is, like, if you're going to do a distance, you almost have to be in like a line of sight of it, not going off to the corners like I did in that video where I went around the side of the house and over by my smokers. It kind of cut out because there was interference, but as long as you're straight lined up with it, in where it can see, the range is incredible. I don't know how far it is, but some of the videos I watched, it was really impressive. So yeah, I found this online. I paid for this kit that I have, which is designed for a camera, and I'm using the Sony ZV-1 is my camera. This kit here was $180. What's kind of neat is that you can get that secondary mic anytime you want. I've seen it anywhere from $85 to $100 for a second mic, and I'll be picking that up so that I can have a second person that's hooked up to the same receiver, and it's going to be kind of cool. The couple of things that I have planned for that. I think I saw it on Amazon, and it's the same price and things like that. So if you shop Amazon, or you can go to their website, just do a Google search or whatever your search engine is for Saramonic Blink 500. They have some different models. They have one model that is designed to like work in your iPhones or your Android phones. It's a little different than these ones as far as how it connects. So if you're going to use that, you might look for that and watch videos on that. But yeah, they're a pretty impressive little wireless mic system, and I like it because I can be doing my hands and not worry about cords and things like that it might grab. So definitely go check them out. You know, I'm not a sponsor. I bought this with my own money, so I'm giving you my honest thoughts on it. And you know, go check them out on the website, watch some videos, see what you think of it. If you get one, let me know what you do think of it. But anyhow, like I always say, thank you for watching. Be safe out there, my friends. Till next time.